This short video will demonstrate cutting curves semi-freehand. To do the stack and shuffle, I have my 4 blocks in the order that I would like them to appear, remembering that the bottom color will shuffle to the top in the end. So I'm going to first use my template or cut freehand. I've got my 2 templates cut out. I'm going to use the larger one. If I want my circles to be more regular, I'll use the template. If I want them to be more irregular and more improv, I'm just going to place my fabric exactly in the corner, and I would put a dot about at 10 and about at 10 inches from the bottom to the left, and I would draw my curve freehand. For this one, I am going to use the template. So I'm going to make sure that each side comes parallel to the edge, and that would give me about the right place. Simply going to use a pencil to draw a marker line, very faint. And remembering that this inside curve will be cut later after we've sewn the first curve. So I'm just going to cut freehand and hold my fabric in one place using a very sharp blade. I'm going to press fairly heavily to get all 4 layers cut. Again, I'm just doing it fairly slowly, following the line in whatever way works for you. And I have my 4 colors, making sure that they've all been cut. Sometimes with 4 layers it takes a little bit more checking to make sure that all the layers have been cut. So I'm just doing here, going over a few of the snags to make sure of that. There we go. We have our 4 layers. I'm going to shuffle the bottom one to the top, and then this way I can see that my green will go with orange, my brown will go with orange for the first run. Once I go to the next one, I'm going to have my yellow going with my brown, and then the last one will be green and yellow. So these are ready for pinning.